Welcome, in front of me I have Nokia 216 and today I will show you how you can change the date and the time settings. At the first you have to go for the menu, then go for the settings. Right now scroll to enter date and time. And as you can see right now we can activate or deactivate auto update time. So if you turn on auto update time, you cannot change other things manually. So I'm going to turn off this option. And at the first I'm going to set time. So hours, and after that minutes. Click OK to confirm, and as you can see we set it up. You can also set the time format for 12 hours or 24. I'm going to pick 24, and then we can pick date. So today we got 20th of July. So I'm going to confirm, but if you want to change day, month or year, you have to simply move with these dots like that. And if you want to confirm, just click OK. And as you can see, that's how we can set it up. You can also show date and time, but you can turn it off. You can make it however you want. You can also change the calendar type. So when you go back, as you can see, our date and time is appear here. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.